welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of a mystery box. I recently placed an order with Juvia's place when they had their 50% off sale, and as part of my order I did actually pick up one of their mystery boxes. I do monthly haul videos on my channel and I was just going to incorporate this mystery box as part of my haul, but I thought people might just be interested in seeing the unboxing of the mystery box itself, so that's why I thought I would do it as a separate video. When I placed my order from Juvia's place, they had just sent me a $10 off coupon, which I wasn't sure whether it was going to work off sale items or not. So because I already had in mind what I wanted to pick up in the sale and I was already getting most of those products for 50% off, that's why I decided to pick up a mystery box, because I used the $10 against it. This was, I believe, their Black Friday mystery box, which according to their website was $45, but at the point I picked it up at the very end of December it was down to $15. So technically, because I used my $10 against it, I did only pay $5 for this mystery box. This was just the box that my Juvia's place order came in. The items were not in a separate bag or anything like that, they were just part of the items that I had ordered. But why don't I show you the items that were included in the mystery box. The first item I got was the Afrique palette, which is one of their 12-pan eyeshadow palettes. So this is how it comes in the box. I do absolutely love the Juvia's place put bubble wrap within the box, so the palette is definitely safe on arrival. I say that and I haven't even checked it yet. So this is how the packaging of the palette itself comes. And then inside we have this gorgeous array of shades. When I first did unbox this palette, I did think it was one I already had in my collection, but then I remembered that it wasn't one that I had in my collection, but it was one I did nearly pick up as part of my sale purchase. When I made my purchase, this one was down to $10 in the sale, and I thought that it did look like it had quite a few unique looking shades in it and would be a nice addition to my collection. But I decided instead of spending the $10 on this, I would spend the money on the mystery box instead, and it just worked out really well that this was the palette that I got. So I believe this is normally $20, but it is one that I do see quite regularly on sale for $10, so it might be one of their better selling palettes. But to me it is a really unique palette with a lot of pretty shades in it. For me personally, I'm not usually all about the bright colours and things. I do like palettes to have a touch of neutral to them, and I think this one definitely ticks the boxes. It is a lot more stunning in person than it does look on the website. So for me, I do have my sort of 3 neutral shades that if I want to reach this one I can go for them. But then I do have a sort of warmer gold, this gorgeous looking reddy coppery toned colour. This shade up here, Togo, is a gorgeous green shade. I think I probably will reach for quite a lot, especially because I have been more into green lately. Not so much this shade of green, more this tone. And then we do have this shade here, Continue, which looks like a gorgeous navy shade. But this to me is the perfect mix of pops of colour and neutrals. Like these 3 shades at the top here, this blue, orange and green, are very bright. I don't know how much I'm going to reach for them. But then you've got these 2 shades here which are colourful but shimmers and more sort of subdued and things. And then obviously I've got my neutrals across the bottom and these 2 shades here. So even though this was a palette that I did kind of pass over, I am so glad that it did come in this mystery bag, because otherwise I wouldn't have picked it up, and I do think this is going to be a great addition to my collection. And I just absolutely love the packaging of Juvia's place. I did kind of have a spoiler for this mystery bag on the website, in that I did say you would be receiving an eyeshadow palette. Because of the price point of the mystery bag, even though it did originally say it was $45, I did presume that I would be getting one of the mini 6-pan palettes, especially because the mystery bag was the Black Friday deal and I thought it would include a newer palette. But because I haven't had the best of luck with their 6-pan palettes, I am glad that I received this one instead, even though it is one of their older palettes. The next product I received was this lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Sophisticated. I've not tried the Juvia's Place Gloss formula. I love the packaging of this as well, but this looks like a really pretty shade. If it's as pigmented as their eyeshadows, I think I'm going to really enjoy this. Looking at it, it does look like a really gorgeous brown shade, and it does have some shimmer to it as well. I'm actually going to open this one up and do a little swatch because that might be more helpful. But let's have a look. So it does have a traditional doe foot applicator. And that is actually more sort of coral than I expected. but it is really pigmented, and I do love a more pigmented gloss. It doesn't feel overly sticky, it does feel slightly thicker, and then it does have some sort of gold shimmer to it. But that is a gorgeous gloss, and I'm really excited that I got this one as well. Looking at it more, it is quite a shimmery gloss, which I don't always love, but I think because it's quite pigmented, it will look really nice, so I'm excited to use this properly. And then the third and final item in the mystery box is this lip kit, and this is the Empress Lip Collection, and this is in the shade Yoko and is a matte and metallic liquid lipstick. Again, absolutely love the packaging. That is how these two come. I'm going to take them out of the really reflective packaging. So that is how they come. This is the matte one, and then that is the metallic one. And this to me looks like a straight up dark brown, and then this one is a sort of shimmery chocolate brown. These are definitely shades that I would not reach for at all. They are definitely too dark, and I don't think I can kind of pull these off with my complexion. So this is actually a product that I'm going to keep to one side for a future giveaway. I haven't decided whether to keep it as a lip kit or possibly put these in 2 separate bundles yet. I just don't think I'm going to get full use out of these, so they might as well go to a better home. So that was the lip kit, and the final item in the mystery box. So out of the 3 products in the mystery box, this is the only one that doesn't work for me, which I think 2 out of 3 is still pretty good. Even for the $15, I would have been really happy with those 2 items. The fact that I've personally only paid $5, obviously, for an eyeshadow palette and a lip gloss, I'm more than happy with. So just to reconfirm, these are the 3 items that I received in the Juvia's Place mystery box. For me, this is well and truly worth $15. I only paid $5 because I had the discount code, but yeah, for me, I was more than happy to pay $15 for this. I've got an eyeshadow palette that is absolutely gorgeous, and a lip gloss I know I will get a lot of use out of. It's okay, this lip kit I can't use, but again, it's another 2 products inside of there, and for me, it is worth it. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.